Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about another loop in JavaScript known as for loops. And note that the idea of this tutorial is to give a good idea of how programming works and how it is applied. In my subsequent videos, we shall be writing more complex JavaScript and even ECMAScript. And when we get to start learning libraries and frameworks like React and Angular, we shall see how JavaScript is used in building the interactive front end of applications. So let's go back to for loops. Let's learn how to write for loops and how it is applied. The for loop is started with the keyword for. And let's just say this. Var I is equal to 0. I is less than 7. Let's use the incrementing operator right there. Console.log. Let's see. Loop running. First, you use the keyword for. Then you initialize a variable, which is what we did here by saying var I is equal to 0. Then separate it with semicolons. The next thing is the conditional, which is this. The conditional is saying I is less than 7. So setting I to 0, and while I is less than 7, always increment I by 1 every time this loop runs. This is an incrementing operator. So while this loop keeps running, I is less than 7. Currently I is 0. Every time the loop runs, I has a value of 1, and the moment I is equal to 7 or greater than 7, the loop stops running. Now let's run our code to see what we have. You can see loop running, loop running, loop running, and let's scroll down. Before we jump into the next video, I want to mention that when loops run, the variable does not only get incremented by 1. We can increment the variable by 2. To do that, we use what we've learned before to say I plus equal 2. So when we run our code again, you'd see that I, which is 0, is being incremented by a value of 2. So from 0 to 2, from 2 to 4, from 4 to 6. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.